To install a VPN app on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store. At the bottom of the screen over here, we're gonna use the search button, and then at the top, we're gonna use the search field again, and we can simply type VPN in order to try to find some example VPN apps that we can get on our phone. Of course, if you have a name of the VPN app that you want to specifically get on your phone, then of course you can search for that app instead. But if you have no idea which app to choose, then of course you can try any of these that you can find in here. In my case, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is pretty straightforward. But like I said, I recommend you to try anything in order to find out which one you like the most. Most of these apps are free, and some of them have more features than other VPN apps. Over here we can continue as a guest, so you don't have to create an account or anything like that. Of course, you might still see some premium offers or something, but you can tap on not now or something similar. And then you should have the option to connect to a server, and that is pretty much everything. I can also recommend you checking some of the settings that you can find inside the app in order to, of course, I don't know, make some changes that you might need to do to adjust the app to your own needs. But that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.